For those of you voting tomorrow, we found a state law that you really need to know about, allowing another voter to challenge your vote. 7 News reporter Marshall Zelinger checking that law. And Marshall, you found 3 criteria that can be challenged.
And when you go to your polling place like this high-rise here off Spear in Denver, a fellow voter or even an election judge can say, hey, wait a minute. If they have reason to believe that you're younger than 18, not a resident of the precincts, or not a legal citizen.
But what we do know is that there are groups training their volunteers to question the eligibility of other voters.
Elena Nunez is executive director of Colorado Common Cause, a group for open, honest, accountable government. Her group has never seen a voter challenge in Colorado, but she's concerned about True the Vote, a Tea Party organization training 1 million volunteers to work nationwide on Election Day.
We're concerned that they're going to target voters who may not be as familiar with the voting process.
You're going to have to usually have some good reason for challenging the person.
We check state statute. Your age, your residency, and your citizenship can be challenged. If someone's legal status is questioned, is an election judge allowed to ask for proof of legal status?
The election judge and the clerk and recorder, they're empowered to resolve that, and as part of their resolution, they may ask for evidence. And that evidence may just be a sworn affidavit.
There's no requirement that you show proof. And in fact, that's something that gives us great pause, that there could be someone asking for proof at the polls.
We took a closer look at the statute. The election judges are only allowed to ask questions like, are you a citizen of the United States? Or, to the best of your knowledge and belief, are you 18 years of age or older? If the voter answers yes, they sign an affidavit and vote. If your vote is challenged and you refuse to answer the election judge's questions, you can still vote, but it would be a provisional ballot. Provisional ballots aren't counted until after all of the regular ballots. Now, if you are challenged incorrectly, there's no punishment for the person who did the challenging. Reporting live, Marshall Zelinger, 7 News.